to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix Animal Crossing not loading on Switch. So guys, I'll walk you through the steps, and this will be a step-by-step guide, and we shall use two methods. Method 1: force a complete shutdown. Press and hold the bottom of your Switch console. Okay, so press and hold the bottom of your Switch console for at least 12 seconds. Okay, then after doing that, go ahead and remove the card in the micro SD card as it's illustrated here. Then go ahead and power on and restart the game. By doing that, you will have solved the problem. Now, step number 2: check for software updates. In most cases, the game may be updated and you may be using the old version. So as you can see here, go ahead and click on update the system. Okay, so those are two methods we are going to use. Thanks for watching.